Imagine waking up on a Monday, and by the time the sun sets, it's a whole new year. Sounds impossible, right? On one planet in our solar system, that's literally true. A single day lasts longer than an entire year. Today we're breaking down how long a day actually is on every planet, and why some of these numbers are so weird. Quick definition before we start, because this trips people up. A day isn't just how long it takes a planet to spin once on its axis. That's called a sidereal day. What we usually care about is the solar day. How long it takes for the sun to return to the same spot in the sky. On most planets, those two numbers are close. On a couple of them, they are wildly different. You'll see why in a minute. Let's start closest to the sun and work our way out. Mercury. Closest planet to the sun. You'd think it'd have the shortest day. It doesn't. Mercury spins on its axis once every 59 Earth days. But because it's also zooming around the sun so fast, completing an orbit in just 88 Earth days, the two motions fight each other. The result: a solar day on Mercury lasts about 176 Earth days. Here's the wild part. Mercury's year is only 88 Earth days. That means one day on Mercury lasts 2 full Mercury years. If you thought Mercury was strange, meet Venus, the record holder for the strangest day in the solar system. Venus rotates so slowly, one spin takes 243 Earth days, and it spins backwards, retrograde. Compared to almost every other planet, Venus's year is only 225 Earth days, so Venus's rotation period is 243 days. Its year is 225 days. A single spin on Venus takes longer than its entire trip around the Sun. Because of the backward spin, the solar day works out to about 117 Earth days. But the headline stat still stands. On Venus, the day, rotation, outlasts the year, back home. Earth's day, 24 hours, give or take. Simple, familiar, and honestly, kind of boring compared to what we just covered. But Earth's day length isn't fixed forever. It's slowly getting longer by about 1.7 milliseconds per century because of tidal friction from the Moon. 400 million years ago, a day on Earth was closer to 22 hours. Mars is Earth's closest twin in this category. A Martian day, called a sol, is 24 hours and 37 minutes, barely longer than ours. This is actually a huge deal for space exploration. NASA's Mars rover teams have had to live on Mars time during missions, shifting their sleep schedule by 40 minutes every day to stay in sync with the rover's solar day. Now we hit the gas giants and everything speeds up. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, and somehow has the shortest day. One rotation, just 9 hours and 56 minutes. That's a planet more than 11 times the width of Earth, spinning fast enough that its own rotation flings its equator outward. Jupiter is actually noticeably flattened at the poles because of it. Saturn isn't far behind. A day here lasts about 10 hours and 33 minutes. Just like Jupiter, Saturn's fast spin makes it visibly bulge at the equator. You can actually see the flattened shape through a decent telescope. Fun fact, for decades, scientists couldn't agree on Saturn's exact rotation rate, because you can't watch a solid surface spin on a gas planet. They had to track magnetic field signals from Saturn's interior to nail down the number. Uranus brings back the weirdness. Its day is about 17 hours and 14 minutes. But Uranus rotates almost completely on its side. Its axis is tilted about 98 degrees. So instead of spinning like a top, it rolls like a ball. That means during Uranus's 84-year orbit, each pole gets roughly 42 years of continuous daylight, followed by 42 years of continuous darkness. Imagine a day that's also a decade of your childhood. Last stop, Neptune. A day here is about 16 hours and 6 minutes. Close to Uranus, but without the sideways tilt. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. So while its days are short, its seasons last decades. A single Neptunian season is longer than most human lives. 8 planets, 8 completely different definitions of a day. And we haven't even left our own solar system yet. Subscribe if you want more of this, and drop a comment. Which one of these planets shocked you the most?